It's not the strongest of the species that survives, nor the most intelligent. It is the one that is most adaptable to change, says Charles Darwin. Are you and your company ready for that change? We're living in unprecedented times. You leaders are leading your companies in unprecedented times, marked by rapid technological evolution, an energy crisis, the rise of remote work, the great resignation, massive layoffs, inflation, and the potential global recession. Instability on all fronts. You recognize that the needs of your customers are changing, the needs of your employees are changing. And whatever you do as the head of the company, it just doesn't seem enough. You're exhausted, stressed, and depressed. This is because you lead managers and employees who await your direct orders. What you should be doing instead is leading other leaders. Times of stability requires management, but times of instability require change, and change requires leadership. In traditional organizations, one visionary leader was enough. The Steve Jobs of the company. Everybody wanted to be that leader. With the rise of remote teams, autonomous work groups, self-managed teams, circular and distributed leadership, we need more leaders. Leaders at every level, and people who have developed self-leadership skills. One singular business leader for the entire organization is just not enough. The change we're facing at a global level is just too great. In order for you and your company to survive, you need to become the leader maker. As a professor of leadership, researcher, and change consultant, I can tell you that 80% of change attempts fail because there's no commitment, no know-how about how to create the actual change, and no monitorization of the change process. Every company says, we need more leaders, but no one gave you the tools on how to ignite leadership in your people. In the next few minutes, I will share with you 5 ways to turn your employees into leaders so you become the leader maker and your company becomes ready for change. 1. Create a vision for a better future. Make them strive for something better. 2. Eliminate the safety net. Do the one thing all great warriors have done in history. Burn your ships so your army has only but one option. Press forward and win. Get rid of your safety net. 3. Use urgent language to trigger action. Say, for instance, let's take massive action, implement the plan, or else we won't be here coming next quarter. 4. Celebrate or even fake early wins. Design wins for the new leaders as early as possible because change needs positive reinforcement. And 5. Designate a change team. You choose a handful of people in your organization that will orchestrate the growth. You forge their commitment, they keep each other accountable. Together you lay the facts on the table. You create a story that bridges the company's heritage to the better future. They tell that story over and over again. Real winners in a rapidly changing world will not be the superstar leaders, but the leader makers. Multiply the innovation potential in your company and create more leaders in order to best adapt to the change that is coming. The way you adapt is the way you succeed. Thank you.